pick 5. And the race is on. Salin Lahi. Pass to begin, rushing up by the Brave Lorky. And on the outside, Kate Ganda. Big pocket, unpredictable. Jet Setter Slim alongside by the rail. Airwear double play. Eye in action, and Douglas Paramore is running at the tail of the field. Salin Lahi. Big pocket. Fighting it out for the lead. Kate Ganda is racing in third by some 2 lengths. Airway is running by the rail. Unpredictable is racing in fifth from the outside. 6 belongs to double play. Running in 7th by the rail is Brave Lorky alongside Hide in Action. Jet Setter Slim second last, and Douglas Paramore rounding the far turn. Salin Lahi. Kate Ganda is racing on the outside. Airway also rushing up, unpredictable, racing towards the final turn and into the exciting and long Santana stretch run with Kate Ganda is now the leader. Airway by the rail, unpredictable, and running in the center is entry number 8, Salin Lahi. Jet Setter Slim, and nearing the finish line, Kate Ganda now pulling away, and finally Kate Ganda. Unpredictable, close. Airway, Jet Setter Slim, and Salin Lahi.